very fresh good morning, my dear students. My name is Khushbu and I welcome you back on my channel. I hope you have done the reading of the chapter, completed your word meanings in your notebook and also your mixed sentences. If you are having any doubt in the chapter, you can ask anytime through the comments, or you can also ask on Webex session on Sundays. I also expect that you are doing your project work interestingly. So, open your fair notebooks, write today's date, that is 13 July 2020. Here you will write classwork, then here chapter number 6. In next line the three brothers, and in next line question answers. So today we will do question answers. So open your book and see the question number 1 from your book. That is, why did Tannen want to go out and seek his fortune? Written question number 1. Right answer 1. Tannen wanted to go out and seek his fortune to become rich. First you have to note down the question and then answer. Now write question number 2 from your book. Why did Joshu and Penhen not like Tannen's idea? What does this tell us about their nature? Note it down quickly. Return question number 2. Now note down the answer from board. Joshu and Penhen did not like Tannen's idea because they don't want him to become rich. This tells us about their selfish nature. In starting only it was written in chapter that two brothers were lazy and selfish. So it tells us about their selfish nature. Let's start with question number 3. How can I remove those stars? They are nothing but a reflection of the sky. So basically this is a context and we have to answer these questions from this context. So A part is, from where did the speaker have to remove the stars? Note down question number 3 here, then A part, and then write its answer from the board. Speaker to remove the stars from the pool of water. Next B part is who wanted the stars to be removed. So this you know. Note down the question from book and then write the answer from board. So who wanted the stars to be removed? Old woman wanted the stars to be removed. Next C part is, did the speaker achieve what he had set out for? Why not? Note down the question from your book and then write answer from the board. So, did he achieve what he had set out for? No. The speaker did not achieve what he had set out for. Why? There was a question now, why? So we will write because he thought that task was impossible. As how he can remove the reflection of the sky from the water. So he thought that task was impossible. Next, question number 4 is, why did Soshu and Penhen fail to earn anything? Note down the question from your book. After writing down the question from your book, note down the answer from board. Soshu and Penhen failed to earn anything because they were lazy. So students, today we have done these much question answers only. Rest of the question answers we will do tomorrow, and you have to complete these question answers in your fair notebook. Okay? Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to mention your name, class and section for your attendance. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.